Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to plug a tire. Here we have this tire. You can see it's getting close for it to be replaced, so instead of removing it and patching it, and this what we're going to do is we're going to remove the nail and then just plug it. This is really useful, especially if you're driving and you get a nail on the side of the road, because you can plug the tire right on the car. You will need an air compressor, but you can get a portable 12-volt air compressor. You can keep it in your car, and a plug kit so that you can repair that tire right on the side of the road. So what we're going to do here, do you need some pliers? Just pull this out, and you can see it's leaking there. And what you'll take this too, and then you want to go in and out several times. It's going to be a little bit hard at first, but we're cleaning that, and we're also making it bigger so we can put the plug through. Alright, so we're going to do this a few times. So here we have the string plug, and we're gonna insert it through this gap right here. You put this all the way to the middle, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna push this through. I'm gonna pull this up. And then what you want to do is, you can cut this, but even if you leave it like that, it'll just wear out as you drive. And that's it.